Welcome to the Mr. Bit coding editor for the BBC Microbit. The Microbit program is always in plain English, like this one. The speech page helps to explain how to create programs. You can drag the page anywhere you like on the screen. Click on the right-hand side to see the next page. Click on the left-hand side to go back to the previous page. Drag the borders to make the page larger or smaller. A program is built into a control system which has three parts shown by the blocks. Input blocks are shown with blue, outputs show with pink. The green control module takes a signal from the input and sends a signal to the output. A push button sends a signal when you press it. The control module contains the program, which switches the output on and off. The program script shows in the text panel. It says exactly what the program does. The Microbit LEDs are controlled by the program. In this case, it creates a simple image. You can see the program working in two views. This is the system view, which shows the control system in blocks. Click this button to see the scene view, which shows a picture of the Microbit. At the moment, Mr. Bit is set to run mode, which shows the program working. When you click this button, Mr. Bit switches to design mode, which allows you to change things. Design mode is used for building and editing the program. If you click on a link, it is deleted and the program script changes accordingly. The links are needed to build a program. This is how you build the program. Click the module to show the editing tabs. Drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. You can now click on the squares to design your own image. Drag a link from the When tab to the button. Now choose Is Pressed to indicate how the button makes the signal. Next, drag a link from the Until tab to the button and choose Is Free to indicate how the image gets switched off. The program script is now complete. To see it working, we select Run mode. To summarize, a control system has three parts: input, control module, and output. The control module contains the program, which appears in the text panel. The system view shows the control system in blocks, and the scene view shows it in pictures. We use design mode for building and editing control systems, and run mode for seeing them working. In the next tutorial, you can learn how to send the program to the Microbit and see it work there.